Rain ravages Himachal Pradesh. Schools, colleges shut till August 19th. At least 60 people have died this week so far due to landslides and flash floods in Himachal Pradesh, home to scenic mountains and a popular tourist destination that has been battered by heavy rain since last week. Dozens have died in landslides in Summerhill, Krishna Nagar and Fagli in state capital Shimla since Sunday, while another was reported this morning in Summerhill again. A landslide washed away around 8 houses in Krishna Nagar in the heart of Shimla last evening, killing 2 people. Several other houses were vacated. An official said 13 bodies have been recovered from the debris in Summerhill, 5 from Fagli and 2 from Krishna Nagar so far. Several others are feared buried in the debris of a temple that collapsed on Monday. Over 800 people have been rescued from the low-lying areas and evacuation efforts are on, Chief Minister Sukhwinder Singh said today, sharing a video of rescued citizens alighting a helicopter. All schools and colleges across the state will remain closed till August 19th in view of the extreme weather. Himachal Pradesh University too has suspended teaching activities till then. Officials said at least 800 roads are blocked in the state due to landslides, and the state has suffered losses worth thousands of crores this monsoon season.